In sub-Saharan Africa, land is more than a resource. It's the foundation of livelihoods, food security, and resilience. Yet today, this vital resource faces unprecedented challenges: land degradation, climate impact, and complex socio-political dynamics. Founded by the German Federal Ministry of Research, Technology and Space, 4 regional research and development projects work towards one common goal: sustainable land management that works in the real world. Too often, new technologies or strategies fail because they don't reflect local priorities. Focusing on sustainably intensifying agriculture in northern Ghana and the Senegal River Valley, the Coins Project team works to increase productivity without converting additional land to agriculture. Local conditions such as water availability and soil properties, but also socio-economic conditions, are evaluated using a landscape-based approach that integrates modeling, earth observation, and data science. All stakeholders collaborate through innovation labs to identify approaches under which sustainable intensification can work. Support mechanisms including comprehensive risk management strategies and an incentive and monitoring program will set the stage for sustainable land management. Farmers and policymakers often lack relevant information on which to base their decisions. DecLaRe seeks to strengthen land resilience in the subhumid savanna regions of northern Benin and Ghana. The team will build a decision support system that integrates scientific knowledge, local expertise, and modeling at the national to regional level and support innovative land management practices. In addition, DecLaRe also aims to identify recommendation domains for scalable innovations towards sustainable crop production and animal husbandry in West Africa. DecLaRe fosters close links between scientific research, policymakers, and the private sector to ensure practical applications for sustainable land use planning. Rangelands are amongst the most fragile landscapes in Africa. The InfoRange project works with pastoralists, herders, veterinarians, and other stakeholders in Kenya and Namibia to develop tools including a mobile app for better pasture management and veterinary care. The project combines user-generated data with remotely sensed data to create a digital rangeland assessment service which helps determine how to graze, irrigate, and manage animal health. A key aspect of the project is its transdisciplinary approach, which involves local communities from the start to ensure that solutions are co-designed to meet the specific needs of pastoralists and other stakeholders. Too often, agriculture research is carried out without the men and women who are most concerned: the local communities, who often have the practical knowledge but limited access to digital technologies. Minodu will close the gap between scientific research and practical land management solutions in Togo by making local sustainability knowledge, such as knowledge about climate change, sustainability, water management, and relevant technologies, more accessible and actionable. Together with communities, Minodu transforms existing information into user-friendly formats, fosters local networks, and develops concrete solutions, including how to share results with groups that have limited access to digital technologies. From social learning to capacity development, from knowledge management to science communication, from research to transfer analysis, Interfaces accompanies and supports the 4 regional projects with tools to amplify their reach and relevance. Amongst Interfaces' key priorities are gender responsiveness and social inclusion to ensure that sustainable land management equitably benefits diverse communities. By working together, African research networks will be strengthened, produce both scientific and practical knowledge, and embed implementation-oriented research into education and training systems. Because transformation isn't just about discovery, it's about delivery. As we gather at this conference, researchers, policymakers, and all practitioners are invited to collaborate, to listen, to co-create, to act.
Interfaces. Interfaces. Interfaces.